Welcome to Let Red Do It, and let's get to it.
Do you hate going to the internet to go find the app that you want to get, only to see that there's several different websites to choose from, which one's right? Then you can't even find the download button, and when you do, you start to wonder, does this have a virus? Is it going to hurt my computer? How about trying to uninstall them? Trying to find and in your settings to uninstall it. Then it wants to ask all these questions. I don't want to answer this. I just want you off my computer. Well, guess what? Now you can download and uninstall and even update all your apps in one place. That's right. It's the command prompt. There are several programs to choose from, and I'll even show you how one of them works. Let's go. Right here we have Homebrew. It used to be just for Mac, but now it's for Windows too. It's powerful and versatile, especially for developers. Also works on Mac, of course, and so you can do cross-platform. But however, it's smaller, has a smaller repository for the Windows app, and requires additional setup for Windows as well. Something to think. Next up, we have Nine Night is ideal for bulk app installation. So you have a lot of things to put down. You just got your computer. Very beginner friendly, sorry. And it automatically skips unnecessary add-ons. You don't have to worry about trying to do that. Drawbacks are limited customization and fewer app options. There's also no command line functionality, but hey, it's for beginners, so. This is Patch My PC, and it's a lightweight application for if you just need something to update your applications every once in a while and to patch them if they're having a problem. Ready for some ice cream? Here's the scoop. Application Package Manager focuses on simplicity and lightweight apps. It doesn't require admin access and is great for development tools. It has limited support for the EXE and the GUI. Last but definitely not least is Chocolatey. Chocolatey has a large repository of Windows apps and handles EXE files and system level installations. Extensive community support as well. However, it can be heavy for simple tasks and requires admin access. Now, before we go installing anything, I would love you to know about Winget. Winget is already built into your Windows 10 11 system. Okay? So there's no installation. It's good for integration and Microsoft services, of course. So it's already in your system and you can definitely already try it out. Here's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to go ahead and download Chocolatey. We're going to search for our command prompt and we're going to right click on it and run as administrator. Then we want to make sure that we're on the Chocolatey website as well. And we're going to do the basic install for the command prompt. Also, make sure that your command prompt is up to date. If not, it will let you know that you need to update it, and then just follow the steps to update it. As you can see, I had to update mine. And of course, you need to read through the warning and make sure that you're downloading safely. And you see the two options. There's command prompt option and there's the PowerShell option. So you can always do the PowerShell option if you like that better. I'm doing the command prompt better. I think it was actually the PowerShell that I need to update it to. Sorry. But you go ahead and you go to that line right there and you press copy. You want to paste it in your command prompt and then hit enter. And that should start the process of downloading Chocolatey. After you get this downloaded, you want to play with it and even see all the different commands and everything that it can do, because this is a very powerful tool when it comes to managing all your applications and everything. And it's very safe because with this package manager, you're going to be able to download apps straight from the website that is secure. So whatever app you're trying to download, there's no, oh, did I go to the right website? This looks sketchy. No, you're getting it straight from the maker. And it's going straight to your computer. And the same thing with Winget too. So this one's just a little bit stronger and powerful. Has more options to do different things. And it's easy to see what you can do. All you have to do is press CHOCO and then press, I think it was, dash question mark. And that will give you all the different options and variations that you can use. And in plain English, all you gotta do is just read through it, see what's what. Now, if you see, it tells you that you need to restart your command prompt. So, not the whole computer, just command prompt. Go in, run it as administrator again. You have to always do that every time you want to use Chocolatey. Like I said, that's one of the downfalls of using Chocolatey versus other ones. And we're going to go in, we're going to try to do some stuff. So first we're going to try to install Google Chrome. So just C-H-O install Google. And see here is installing Google successfully. And we're going to even check to make sure it is there. Don't need to answer the questions if you see one. And, it's just a Y, A, N. It doesn't have to be capitalized. Okay, check for the app. I'm just going to go to the app. Get the app. There it is. Google Chrome. Brand new. Seems to be working properly. I'm going to exit out of that. And this right here would be how you would upload all of your apps. And you can even see how to upgrade just one app. I think instead of putting it all, you just put the app name like upgrade Google Chrome. So, and then it would go ahead and check for any updates to all my apps that it was checking for in the Chocolatey Package Manager is up to date. Last but not least, we are going to uninstall Google Chrome. Let's just check, uninstall Google Chrome, and let's see it doing its thing. Alright, let's check to see if it's there. Going back into the app. Boom, it's gone.